I'm going to make an advent calendar and the theme is going to be fake bake. Oh my god! I have 24 of these jam jars and I'm gonna split them into 4 designs. And on this video, I'm gonna turn this cute little jar into this cute little gingerbread man. Oh my god! Let's find out how I made it. Yeah, my Christmas video of the year. I'm so excited because I'm gonna be making an advent calendar using mostly recycled material. So let's see how I get on with that. But it's not going to be an advent calendar where you just get your chocolate. It's going to be slightly different. I have collected over the years 24 of these little tiny jam jars. Oh, they're so cute. And the reason why I've got so many is because my parents' neighbor's daughter wanted to come over and learn English. And at the time, I was in a position that she could do that. And so she came to live with us and she studied English, but she was working at a Molten Brown factory and they were making, I think it was Molten Brown, but something like that. But anyway, she was working in this factory where they were making all the jam, like packing all the really nice jams for Christmas. So she used to come home with boxes and boxes of the stuff. And obviously, me being me, and I absolutely love them because they're so cute, I kept all of them. And they came in handy when at some point I decided to do the necklaces and I kept all the beads inside. But I relocated all the beads and now I'm going to be using the jars for my advent calendar. Because I was looking through Pinterest and there was like so many cool ideas and I keep looking at the fake bakes where they just turn the little jars into something different and decorate them and make them look like they're cakes. So I thought, I want to do that and I want to make it an advent calendar. I've made 4 designs and I'm going to do each video, I'm going to do one design and I'm going to start with a really simple one this time. I'm going to make a little gingerbread man or a girl or whatever you want to call it. But look, how cute. So this is going to be a jam jar, which is going to be painted gingerbread man colours. And then I'm going to do with a foam clay, like a little drip. And then I'm going to use lightweight filler to do the top bit. And I want to keep it really, really simple. So I'm not going to add sprinkle. I'm not going to add too much colour. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to make like a little heart with foam clay. So it's going to be like a chocolate biscuit kind of thing. And that is it. Oh, would you reckon? Isn't she cute? So that's the idea. And the material, obviously, because I've got 4 designs, is going to be 6 jars per design. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to turn these 6 jars into cute little gingerbread men. And let me show you the materials that I'm going to be using. The jars are going to be painted. I'm going to be masking the top bit because obviously I don't want the where the cap screws to be covered in paint or anything like that because it's going to ruin the whole thing. So I'm going to be masking it with, I've got frog tape, but masking tape will do the job as well as. Once they're all nice and masked, I'm going to prime them. You can use the protective sprays like the sealants to give it a base, but what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using gesso, white gesso. It's really good, a little bit tricky to spread, but it's yeah, it's lovely. And oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells like emulsion. Oh, and look at this. So I'm going to be spreading the gesso using one of them, a light sponge kind of brush. Whether it's a good idea or not, I'm not too sure, but that's what I will be using. Spread it and job done. I'm probably going to do 2 coats and then I'm going to paint it. And to paint it, I'm going to use raw sienna because I find it that is a colour very close to the gingerbread man colour. So I'm going to do probably another couple of coats, and obviously you need a brush to paint the little jars. And to decorate them at the top, I'm going to be using my favourite material, foam clay. Ugh. Yes, look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Initially, I wanted to do like the drips all around here, like chocolate color. But then I thought, he's a gingerbread man, and usually he's got the icing, the white icing. So I thought, I changed my mind, and I'm gonna be doing like the drips with the white foam clay. Also, I've got these wooden semi-sphere. They're 3 centimeters in diameter, and they are perfect. Look at this. The jar has got like an indent all around it, and the wooden semi-spheres, they fit perfectly. Look at this. Amazing. So that is gonna help me for when I do the piping on top, for the nice cream on top. And to do the top, the piping, I'm gonna be using lightweight filler. This is a bargain, and because it's 2 liters for about nearly £10. But the one I had before, it was £9 for half a litre. So this is good value for money. So I will be using this. And then I bought this cheap small nozzle from the supermarket. It was like a set of few of them. So it's just like a cheap nozzle. And I've got some piping bags. And then to decorate it, I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm not gonna put sprinkle or add too much color. I want to keep it literally really simple, because I'm planning to decorate the actual cabinet that I'm gonna be making for hosting all of the jars. It's gonna be quite colorful, and it's gonna have quite a bit going on. So I'm just gonna keep them really simple. And I'm gonna use some chocolate foam clay. Look at that. To make little sort of chocolate bits to go on top with the cream. And what I will be using, I'm gonna be using this little tiny heart cutter. Look at it. Oh, how cute is it? How cute. That's just very adorable. So yes, I'm going to be cutting it with this. I've got a rolling pin to roll the foam clay, a spoon to spoon the lightweight filler inside the piping bag. And then to do the details of the little face, I've got Uniposcas, puffy paint and white paint. Just in case, I'm not sure which one I'm going to be using, but these are going to be, the white is going to be for the highlights in the eyes, and then the little cheeks, and obviously the eyes and the mouth. With that, we'll need a hot glue gun, plenty of sticks. Oh, another very important thing is either like cling film. I've got these, which is like the dust sheets. I just had some leftover bits, so. And this is going to be very handy for when you create the decoration on top, because foam clay sticks to everything. So what I will be doing, I will be putting it like this and then decorate it. So then once you've done, you leave it to dry. It will take a few hours for the foam clay to dry on the outside. And you just have to touch it when it's good time to remove it. But obviously we're going to be painting the bottom bit first, and then put the sheet on it, and then close it, and then we create the top bit. Job done. So yeah, these are all the materials that you need. It's going to be easy and straightforward. I'm very exciting. It's going to be so much fun. I absolutely love it. They're so cute. So cute. And the whole idea, as I said, I've got 4 designs. They're going to be one design per video, and then at the end, it's gonna be coming all together. I'm gonna stop puffing about, and I'm gonna crack on with this, because I'm very excited. I cannot wait to get them all done and get the whole thing finished. And so let's get on with it. Let's paint and create the decorations, and I shall see you later. Exciting. Hello from VoiceOver Connie. Just to let you know, to get the hearts out without damaging them, I was blowing on the cookie cutter. You can't see it, so I thought I'll let you know what I was doing. I'll let you enjoy the video. Yeah, I'm so excited because look, they're now all dry. Ta-da! Oh, look at these. Oh, they're so much fun to make. So much fun to make. It's they turned out really cute. And what I'm gonna do now, all we've got to do is draw the little face. Oh, that's gonna be adorable. But let's have a look. They open beautifully. Look at that. There we go. Oh, isn't it adorable? Isn't it adorable? Look at that. Oh, I'm so loving how these turned out. It was really easy. In the end, I had to swap this brush for a normal brush because this is just too clunky. And yeah, I didn't particularly like it. They came out all right, the ones I've done with this brush. But yeah, I preferred like a little brush. They came out neater. I swapped. So all the next ones, I'm going to be painting them. I'm going to be priming them using the brush instead of that spongy thing. I got a little bit excited and I thought, I want to try. It looks cool. Now that they're all ready, what I need to do is draw the eyes, do the little mouth and do the little cheeks. Oh my God. And I did make a prototype, so they're not going to look something like that. Well, I hope I can reproduce it. I'm going to leave it there for me to look at. So hopefully I'll make the same. So I've got my black Uniposca, I've got my pink Uniposca, and then to do the highlights on the eyes, I'm gonna use the paint because I'm not Uniposcas, they let me down. They do let me down a little bit. But let's get on with it. There's always the problem that you don't make them symmetrical. So I'm gonna try my best. Hello again. This time I just want to let you know that I swapped the brush for that bully tool because it was so much easier, and I think you can probably use it to make the eyes as well if you get a bigger one. But yeah, that's what I used because the brush was not working for me. Yeah, look at these little cute faces. Oh, I'm really pleased the way they turned up, and it's just like how I wanted them. And look at this, really easy to open and really easy to close. And look at this. These are going to be really easy to make, and they dry really quickly as well, which is perfect. So you're going to have plenty of time if you want to make them for Christmas. I'm very excited, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, if you would like to see how the advent calendar progresses, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notification on when the next video is out? Because as I said, this is the first design. There's going to be another 3 design, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to build the big frame that holds all of the jars in place for them to start the advent calendar and start opening them. And in the middle I'm going to do like a cupboard, and there's going to be a bigger jar, and it's going to be beautiful and it's going to be amazing. But thank you so much for watching, and watch out for the next video because the plan is to get them out as soon as I finish editing them. Thank you again. Thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.